Hello, my dear scholars. So, scholars, now we are on the last chapter of a student's textbook, that is chapter number 13, Time and Temperature. Yes, but in this video, scholars, we will only study about time. In our next video, we will study about temperature. Okay, scholars. So, are you all ready for this? Yes, so we'll start with our today's concept, that is time. But before starting, I will show you clock and its different type of hands. Okay. Then we'll start with our exercise. Okay. So let's see about hands of the clock and clock. So this is clock. Okay. Everyone is aware of the clock. We have watch, we have clock at our homes. Okay. Now we will see the different hands that clock has. Okay. So the clock has hour hand, minute hand, and one more hand that is not present in this clock, which is that hand known as, yes, that hand is known as second hand. Okay, so we have three type of hands in clock, that is hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. Okay, now scholars, we will see about time, what is time and its conversion. Okay, so let's see, scholars, about time and its unit. So what is time? Time is a period of minutes, hours, days, years, etc. Okay. It is measured in hours, minutes and second. Okay. Time is measured in hours, minutes and second. Now we'll see conversion. Okay. So here we have conversion. 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay. Hour is the greatest unit and second is the smallest unit. Okay. Whenever we are converting from higher unit to smaller unit, what we need to do, scholars? Yes, we need to multiply. And whenever we are moving from smaller unit to bigger unit, what we need to do? We need to divide. Okay, so you have to remember this conversion. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? In 1 hour, 60 minutes are there. And in 1 minute, how many seconds are there? In 1 minute, 60 seconds are there. So how many seconds will be there in 1 hour? You have to find it out and you have to tell me in a Zoom class. Okay, 1 hour equal to how many seconds? Okay, that is very easy. Now we'll start with our exercise, that is 13.1. We'll solve few sums, and few sums you have to do it by yourself. Okay. So scholars, here we have first sum from question number 1, exercise 13.1, which is convert into minutes. Okay, we have to convert the given time into minutes. So here we have 2 hours and 20 minutes. So 20 minutes are already in the minutes. We don't have to convert 20 minutes. What we have to convert? We have to convert 2 hours into minutes. Okay, so just now we have seen that 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So how many minutes will be there in 2 hours? So what we need to do, scholars? So for that we need to multiply 2 with 60. Okay. Since we are converting from hours to minutes, what we need to do? We need to multiply. Okay. So 2 hours is equal to 2 multiplied by 60 is equal to, which is equal to 120 minutes. 2 hours are 120 minutes. Okay. Now we will find total minutes. So 120 minutes plus 20 minutes is equal to 140 minutes. Okay. Now scholars, we will see one more sum of question number 1 only, that is sum number C. And sum number C we have 12 hours and 34 minutes. Okay. Again we have to convert this into minutes. So here we don't have to touch 34 minutes because it is already in the minutes only. Here we have to convert 12 hours into minutes. Okay. So 1 hour equal to how many minutes? Yes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So how many minutes will be there in 12 hours? So for that we have to multiply 12 with 60. Okay. So 12 6 are, yes, 72, and we have 10 over here. So we'll put 10 as it is. So 12 multiplied by 60 will be 720 minutes. Okay. How many minutes are there in 12 hours? There are 720 minutes in 12 hours. Okay, now we will find the total minutes. So 720 minutes plus 34 minutes is equal to 754 minutes. Okay, so 12 hours 34 minutes is equal to 754 minutes. Okay, now scholars, rest to sum, that is sum number B and sum number D, you have to do it by yourself. You have to follow the same step and method. Okay, now we'll come to question number 2. So scholars, here we have question number 2 where we have to convert into hours and minute. Okay, what we have to do, we have to convert the given minutes into hours and minutes. Okay, so we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So how many hours will be there in 804 minutes? Okay, now scholars, here what we are doing, here we are converting from smaller unit to bigger unit. So what we need to do, scholars, we need to divide. Yes, so we will divide 804 by 60. Okay, now scholars, division part you have to do it by yourself. We have done many times. Okay, so when you will divide 804 with 60, you will get quotient as 13 and remainder as 24. So how many hours are there in 804? So there are 13 hours and 24 minutes in 804 minutes. Okay, now we will see one more question, that is question number C. And C we have 789 minutes equal to how many hours in minutes? Okay. Again same. Here we have to convert from minutes to hours. Since we are moving from smaller to bigger, what we need to do? We need to divide. Yes. And we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So how many hours will be there in 789 minutes? So for that we need to divide 789 by 60. Okay. So when we will divide 789 by 60, we will get quotient as 13 and remainder as 9. So remainder says that that is minute. Okay. So 13 hours 9 minutes are there in 789 minutes. Okay, scholars. So scholars, here we have completed question number 1 and 2. Now we'll start with question number 3. So scholars, here we have question number 3, that is convert into seconds. Okay, we have to convert the given minutes into second. This is converting unit of time. Now here we have to convert from minute to second. As we are moving from bigger unit to smaller unit, what we need to do, scholars? Yes, we need to multiply. Okay, so here we have to convert 5 minutes 35 seconds into seconds. So here we don't have to touch 35 seconds because it is already in seconds. So what we need to do, here we have to convert 5 minutes into second. So 1 minute equal to how many seconds? Yes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So how many seconds will be there in 5 minutes? So for that we have to multiply 5 with 60. So when we'll multiply 5 with 60, we'll get 300. So there are 300 seconds in 5 minutes. Okay. So now we'll add 500 seconds with 35 seconds. Okay. So we'll get our final answer. So 500 plus 35, which is equal to 535 seconds. Okay. Now scholars, we will see sum number C. Again here also we have to convert minutes into second. Here we have sum as 11 minutes 30 seconds. Okay. Again we don't have to touch which part? Yes, 30-second part we don't have to touch. So here we have to convert 11 minutes into seconds. So 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So how many seconds are there in 11 minutes? So for that what we need to do? Yes, very good, scholars. We have to multiply 11 with 60. Okay, so 11 multiplied by 60, which is equal to 660 seconds. Okay, 11 6 are 66 and 0 will write as it is. Okay, so 660 seconds plus 30 seconds is equal to how many seconds? Yes, is equal to 690 seconds. Okay, scholars. So scholars, here we have completed with question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now we'll come to question number 4. Okay. So scholars, here we have question number 4 where we have to convert into minutes and second. Okay, seconds are given. We have to convert the seconds into minutes and second. Okay, see, since we are moving from smaller unit to bigger unit, that is from seconds to minute, we have to convert seconds into minutes. So what we need to do? Yes, scholar, we need to divide. Yes. So 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So how many minutes will be there in 809 seconds? Okay. So for that what we need to do, scholars? Yes, we need to divide 809 by 60. Division part you have to do it by yourself. So when I will divide 809 by 60, I will get quotient as 13 and remainder as 29. So our answer will be 13 minutes 29 seconds. It means now 809 seconds is equal to 13 minutes 29 seconds. Okay. Now one more sum, scholars, we will solve, that is sum number C, which is 775 seconds. Again we have to convert this seconds into minutes. We have to do division. Yes. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So how many minutes will be there in 775 seconds? So for that what we need to do, scholars? We need to divide 775 with 60. So when I will divide 775 with 60, I will get quotient as 12 and remainder as 15. So it means it has 12 minutes 55 seconds. Okay. 775 seconds is equal to 12 minutes 55 seconds. Okay. Now scholars will come to last question, that is question number 5. So scholar, here we have question number 5, which is solve the following sums. Okay. So first sum we have Rahul participated in a race. He finished the race in 420 seconds. In 420 seconds. Time is given in seconds. Okay. Now how many minutes did it take for him to run the race? Now scholars, here we have to convert this seconds into minutes, because here we have asked that how many minutes, okay, did Rahul take to run the race. Time is given in seconds, so we have to convert it into the minute. Again, second is smaller unit than minute. Since we are converting from smaller to bigger, what we need to do? We need to divide. Yes. So before that, scholars, first of all, we will frame the sentence from the given statement. Time taken by Rahul to finish the race is equal to 420 seconds. Okay. Now we have to convert this second into minutes. Now let's find in minutes. Okay. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So how many minutes are there in 420 seconds? So for that we need to divide 420 by 60. So when I will divide 420 by 60, I will get quotient as 7 minutes and remainder as 0. Yes. So how many minutes did Rahul take to run the race? So 7 minutes Rahul take to run the race. Okay. So Rahul takes 7 minutes to run the race. We have to frame final statement. Okay, scholars. Now we'll solve one last sum of question number 5. Okay. Now let's see, scholars, question number C, that is Madhu exercises for half an hour every day. Okay. Every day half hour she exercise. How many minutes in total does she exercise for 5 days? Okay. We have to find how many minutes she is doing exercise for 5 days. Okay. We have to find total minutes for 5 days. Now let's frame the statements from the given question. Exercise done by Madhu every day. How much time she is doing every day? Half hour. Half hour means, scholars, 30 minutes. Okay, she is spending 30 minutes every day for exercise. Okay. Exercise done by Madhu for 5 days. So for one day, how much time she is doing? For 30 minutes she is doing. So how many minutes she will be doing in 5 days? So for that we have to multiply 5 with 30. So when I will multiply 5 with 30, I will get as 150 minutes, because 5 threes are 15 and 0 will write as it is. Okay. So for how many minutes she is doing exercise for 5 days? So total 150 minutes she is doing. So Madhu exercise for 150 minutes for 5 days. So scholars, here I have completed with this exercise, that is exercise 13.1. In our next video we'll start with 13.2. Till that time you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. You have to write steps properly and you have to do all the sums from question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay scholars, so scholars, bye for now. Take care of yourself and do complete this work in your notebook. Bye. Okay scholars, so bye scholars. Take care of yourself.